Welcome to Shift Path. I'm Haroon, and today we're taking a deep dive into the 2025 Nissan Pathfinder, a rugged yet family-friendly SUV that blends capability, comfort, and modern technology. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast or looking for a reliable family hauler, this Pathfinder has something for you. Let's get started. Overview. For nearly 40 years, the Nissan Pathfinder has evolved from a rugged off-roader to a versatile family SUV. The 2025 model, now in its fifth generation, strikes a balance between adventure and daily practicality. With a spacious interior, a powerful V6 engine, and impressive towing capacity, the Pathfinder aims to compete with SUVs like the Toyota Highlander, Hyundai Palisade, and Jeep Grand Cherokee. What's new for 2025? This year, Nissan is offering its Maintenance Care plan, covering up to 3 oil changes within the first 2 years or 24,000 miles, a great value for new owners. Additionally, the SV and Rock Creek trims now come standard with a power liftgate, making cargo access even more convenient. Pricing and trims. The 2025 Nissan Pathfinder starts at $38,460 and goes up to $51,200, depending on the trim level. Here's a quick breakdown. S trim. Base model, starting at $38,460. SV trim adds more convenience features, priced at $41,400. SL trim, our recommended pick, starting at $44,600. Unlike previous models, Nissan has replaced the CVT transmission with a 9-speed automatic, offering a smoother and more responsive drive. Front-wheel drive is standard, but all-wheel drive is available on all trims. Plus, AWD models get 7 drive modes, including mud, sand, and snow for improved off-road capability. Acceleration and towing. In performance tests, the Pathfinder clocks 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 6.6 seconds, quicker than rivals like the Kia Telluride and Toyota Highlander. For towing, the S, SV, and SL trims can handle up to 3,500 pounds, while the Platinum and Rock Creek trims, or any model with the premium package, can tow 6,000 pounds. Fuel economy. The most efficient Pathfinder is the AWD model, rated at 21 mpg city, 27 mpg highway, and 23 mpg combined. Meanwhile, the Rock Creek Edition gets a slightly lower interior, comfort, and cargo. Inside, the Pathfinder features a modern and spacious cabin with seating for up to 8 passengers. Opt for the captain's chairs and seating is reduced to 7, but comfort increases significantly. The SL and Platinum trims offer premium leather seats, a digital gauge cluster, and a panoramic sunroof. Cargo space is generous, with a maximum capacity of 80.5 cubic feet when the seats are folded. Infotainment and connectivity. Tech lovers will enjoy the 9-inch infotainment screen on higher trims, featuring wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A 13-speaker Bose audio system is available for premium sound quality. Other tech features include a 12-foot head-up display, Wi-Fi hotspot, wireless smartphone charging, safety and driver assistance. Safety is a priority in the 2025 Nissan Pathfinder. It earns a 5-star safety rating from the NHTSA and comes standard with automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control with ProPilot Assist. Warranty and maintenance. Nissan offers a 3-year straight 6,000-mile limited warranty, a 5-year 60,000-mile powertrain warranty, plus 3 free oil changes within 2 years or 24,000 miles. Final thoughts. The 2025 Nissan Pathfinder is a solid SUV that balances family-friendly comfort, decent off-road capability, and strong towing power. While it may not match the Jeep Grand Cherokee in ruggedness or the Toyota Highlander in resale value, it's a well-rounded option with plenty of features. What do you think of the 2025 Pathfinder? Is it the right SUV for you? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more automotive content here on Shift Path. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.